Reagan Van Sciver is the daughter of Ron and Rhonda Van Sciver and graduated from Sutherland High School on May 15th. Her grade point average was 4.0. She participated in Student Council for 4 years, was the president of Student Council for 2 years. She participated in volleyball, basketball, and track, quiz bowl, science club treasurer, Scarlet Dance Team, Buddy Program Advisory Board, and Buddy Program participant. Her community service includes Interact, the youth version of Rotary, for 4 years, raised funds for the shelter boxes, raised funds for Every Child Deserves a Smile, fundraising for Ogallala Volunteer Fire Department, Nebraska Games, State Games Torch Run, Relay for Life, 5K Twilight Run, Keith County Leadership Development Program, a member of the Hope Christian Church and Fellowship of Christian Athletes. Reagan's most influential teacher was Lori Staub. And she said, "I have been lucky because my guidance counselor has been there for me to talk to and help me plan the future. She goes beyond what was expected, and this makes all the difference. She has been with me throughout the years, motivating me. I can never thank her enough for all she's done. I realize that she is not a teacher, but she has taught me so much." Reagan plans to attend the University of Nebraska at Kearney. She enjoys math and sciences, but is yet to make a commitment to a major. Her interests lie in the health industry.